Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to show you my new favorite tool. Now this is a very cheap tool for what it is. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So this gun here is going to transform your work if you're working on old cars like myself and you restore old parts. This is going to be useful for really heavy lumps of rust, also surface rust in hard to reach areas. I just want to demonstrate this tool to you. I bought it off eBay and it cost me £24. Basically what we're going to use this for is to remove these heavy lumps of rust, and I've already done it underneath. I'm going to show you very quickly. Hopefully I can zoom in properly so you can see this in detail. I want to show you the capability of this super cheap tool. Promise you, get yourself one of these, you're gonna love it. Let's get started.